Day 128 to posting on TikTok till I get my own shop. Today we're going to go over why you do an oil change after doing head gaskets. So starting off here, we're torquing down the head in the manufacturer specifications. Then we're hitting the top bolts. Then got the rest installed and the engine all back together. Now look at all the water that comes out when you pull the drain plug out.
So mix
About a 50-50 mix. Clearly they don't mix.